Hello my friends, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you 4 easy ways to create your own stickers on iPhone. These work perfectly with iOS 26 and even 18 and are a lot of fun to use. Whether you want to make funny stickers, memes or just your own reactions. I'll go through each method step by step, so by the end of this video you'll be able to make stickers directly from your photos, messages and even the Files app. Let's jump right in. The first one, from the Photos app. The first and most direct way is through the Photos app. Just open any photo that has a clear subject, for example a person, pet or object. Now tap and hold on that subject until you see it lift slightly over the background. You'll get a small menu with options. Choose add sticker. That image is now instantly saved as a sticker and now you can use it anywhere in messages or other compatible apps. You can also add effects to the sticker by tapping and holding it again and selecting from the available styles like outline, comic, shiny or puffed effects. It's super quick and fun. Next up, you can create stickers directly from the Messages app itself. Open the Messages app, go to any conversation and tap the plus icon next to the text bar, then tap Stickers. From there, tap the sticker icon with a plus sign. It'll open your photo library automatically. Now just pick the image you want. iPhone will automatically detect the subject, remove the background and turn it into a sticker for you instantly. It's a great way to make new stickers on the go without switching between apps. The third way is through the Files app, and this one's useful if your images aren't in the Photos app. Open the Files app, find the image you want and tap on it to open the preview. Now just tap and hold on the subject of the image. You'll see the background disappear and you can drag or even tap on add sticker. From here, you can share it to like Messages, Notes or any app that supports stickers. It works just like in the Photos app, but directly from your saved files. The last method is also in the Files app, but this time you don't even have to open the image. Find the photo in your Files app, then tap and hold on the file itself. From the menu that appears, go to Quick Actions, then Remove Background. Once you do that, iPhone will instantly create a new version of that image with the background removed. You'll see a new file appear that's your cutout ready to be used as a sticker. You can drag it into Messages or copy it wherever you want. Perfect for quick edits. And that's it. 4 different ways to make your own stickers on iPhone. You can use the Photos app for quick stickers, the Messages app for fast in-chat creations, or the Files app when you're working with images stored elsewhere. If you enjoyed this video or learned something new, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks every week. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.